Hi everyone, welcome back to my beauty channel. Today we're going to test out my new hair straightener. It just arrived yesterday and I've used this one until now. And when I straighten my hair, the hair got stuck here. Really annoying. And I thought it was time to buy a new hair straightener. And of course I bought another Remington, and this is the Remington Professional Pro Looks, I guess. So this is going to be a very short video. I'm just going to test it out and tell you my first impressions of the hair straightener. Let's dive in. And it's been a while since I uploaded a video. I know, I've been a mom and just handling stuff around that. It's been really difficult to actually record at the same time as taking care of my child. She's 2.5 years old now, so she's going to kindergarten, and well, it's much easier to put her in front of the TV and get stuff done. I couldn't really do that before or earlier because well, I got my hands full. Let's say that. If you're new here, you should really subscribe, like, follow, all of that. Okay? Because I'm back, okay? So in here we can see this little bag. I actually had a similar hair straightener before the one I showed you. And we open the little baggy bag. Okay, it feels much more expensive than the other Remington. I think they cost pretty much the same. I got this one with a discount, so it was like $40, give or take. I will put the price somewhere here on the screen so you can see the actual price, not me just guessing. Let's plug it in and try it out on my hair. It's a very long cable and I love that, okay? I hate when you have like long space between your contact output. I don't know the name of it, I'm sorry, but where you have to stick in your contact and to your mirror, so you have to go and catch some extra cable. Oh, my god, these English words, not the ones I usually use. So we have a little lock here in the corner. I don't know if you can see. It starts to warm up. How high does it go? 230 degrees? No. Well, my hair is pretty much straightened, but I don't like these. You see from the hair tie, I don't like it like this. I want it pretty much completely straight. It happened a lot since I last uploaded a video. I'm going to nursing school right now. I know. 1.5 years until I'm complete with my education, and I'm going to the University of Örebro. And my god, it's so difficult. It's so... I don't want to talk shit about the university, but I don't think it's structured enough. And it's just a cloud of, I don't know how to even describe it. Confusing. It's a very confusing program. So you have to put in a lot of yourself and by yourself, and you have to, it's just difficult, and I can do a whole video on that. Yeah. You see here? This is not straight. No. Okay. It stopped blinking. To me, that's pretty straight. I always put my hair up in sections. I get it much more straight by doing that, and you don't miss any section of hair. And when I done one section, I just my hair again, and I do another. I've also done a gastric bypass since you last saw me. So I've lost a lot of hair. Apparently after the surgery, your body goes into like a shock, and that shock makes you lose your hair. Not all of it, of course. I also read that because you eat less, you get less proteins into your body, and the body takes proteins from the hair. I don't know if that's accurate. I don't have like a good source on that, but I think it sounds pretty accurate. I think you can curl your hair with this as well, but I suck at that, sorry. Maybe we should try just one, and then we can straighten it again, right? Oh, okay. Hello, curl. You can see here my hair loss. Oh, it's pretty insane. That's like a curl. Am I going to have a curl now? Just one curl in my hair? My memory card was full, so I didn't notice that my camera wasn't recording, but I'm done, and it's very straight. That's what I'm going for. So I'm obviously very satisfied with this hair straightener. I like the look of it. I really appreciate that my hair doesn't get stuck in the plaits and all the spaces between and all of that. It gets warm very fast, and that's also very appreciated. I like the long cable. If you see white dots in my hair, I'm sorry. I have psoriasis, so my hair my scalp is very dry. My first Remington, I don't have it here, because it caught on fire because of the cable. It was something, I don't know. I was actually straightening my hair and it just poof, and I saw like a bulb of fire, I guess. It was terrifying. I thought my hair was going to catch fire. So I was really pissed off, and I DM'd Remington on Instagram, and I told them like, my hair straightener caught on fire. This is like, you should check out what's wrong with the product and why it does that, because that's not safe for the customers. But they weren't actually interested in hearing that. They just told me to take my receipt and go back to the store and return it. But I bought it like on the other side of the country when I was at this big mall. I wasn't like really happy to do that, so I just bought a new one myself. Well, this one. And my hair just got stuck, so I ordered this one. Let's hope this one will work much better. If you watched this video this long, I'm so happy that you are, and I hope we will see each other soon again. Comment down below, what do you want me to test out or review, or I have a collaboration who will be out soon. I'm just waiting for my package, so a video is coming up maybe next week on that. So yeah, that's everything for today. Have a really good day, and I love you guys, and I see you next time. Bye!